In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best JTV discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for JTV discount promo code. Right here, select this website which is called couponfollow.com, and as you can see, we have a list with different type of promo codes that you can use in order to get a discount. For example, if you want to save up to 25% of your next order, all you have to do is select your coupon code right here, and this is the discount code. You can copy this promo code from right here, and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get that discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we also have this simplycodes.com website. And right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this one at $25 off discount, all you have to do is select copy code from right here. And you can copy this promo code and you can apply that one on your next purchase in order to get this discount. So this is also today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.